The National African American Family Involvement Day was just another opportunity to say, open the doors and come and see what's happening at Premier Pre-K at Joseph J. Rhodes.
The idea was to increase parent engagement, also to provide an experience for our families to feel a part of the learning environment.
Everyone has a hand in building up the kids' future and trying to enhance their learning and enhance who they may grow up and be.
This is a day that we come and celebrate all families. The wonderful thing about it is, hey, we're in Black History Month, so we start with African American families, but we include everybody. You see us all together because it's our school family.
Last year it started with one school. This year it expanded to 6 schools.
Today, the parents were able to see that, hey, they're really learning and they're doing some really good work here in middle school.
Parents were like, I want to see my child clap the syllables in their name. I want to see my child write. I want to see the things that my child has learned to do during the school year. And then we took another opportunity to say, let's come over here and pull aside so you can see how can you help your child get better at reading and writing at home.
Next year, I would love to see the high schools involved and more schools in Dallas ISD. This is a national event, and it was so exciting again to see parents all throughout the school building learning with their kids. It was a magical day.